Ever wondered how a company can be successful without having any products of its own? Well, pull up a chair and get comfortable because today we're diving into the fascinating world of Nerdwallet. Nerdwallet, a name synonymous with financial guidance, doesn't manufacture, sell, or own any products. It's a conundrum, isn't it? But here's the secret. Nerdwallet is a platform that bridges the gap between consumers and financial products. It's the ultimate go-between, providing unbiased, comprehensive information about a vast array of financial products from different companies. Imagine you're in a gigantic supermarket filled with financial products and Nerdwallet is your personal shopping assistant. It doesn't own the supermarket or any of the products. Instead, it guides you, providing you with detailed comparisons, reviews, and insights to help you make the best choice for your needs. Nerdwallet operates on the principle of affiliate marketing. When a user clicks on a link for a product or service and subsequently makes a purchase, Nerdwallet earns a commission from the provider. It's a win-win situation. Companies get visibility, consumers get valuable guidance, and Nerdwallet earns revenue. Let's wrap up what we've discussed today. Nerdwallet doesn't possess any products of its own. It serves a platform offering thorough insights about a variety of financial products. Its operations are based on the affiliate marketing principle, generating through commissions. To discover how to undertake affiliate marketing the Nerdwallet way, follow the link in the description below. Don't forget, if you found this content valuable, show some love by hitting that like button. It helps us know that we're providing the kind of information you need. And if you want to keep up to date with our latest insights and guides, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. By clicking the bell icon, you'll get consistent updates whenever we post a new video. Remember, your support helps us continue providing in-depth content just like this. So, let's keep the conversation going and explore more ways to navigate your financial journey.